Wax dyeing is a craft inherited through generations among the Miao ethnic group in southwest China's Guizhou. In Danzhai County, a major cradle of the dyeing craft, many Miao women have mastered the art since childhood. Young Eirebaolanng is one of them. After years of hard work, she has made the art a source of wealth for local people. In 2014, Yang and 3 other Miao women set up a cooperative and began to take orders in bulk. Their business has been booming in recent years. With the help of the local government, Yang's workshop moved into a 500 square meter plant in the poverty relief relocation site this year. Her expanded business has created a large number of job opportunities for local people.
60多岁、50多岁可以在我们的工厂里做，要很附近他们，在楼上下来，他们可以有工作，可以挣点钱，他们还可以看他们小孩，照顾老人。以前我们还没有呢，那个在乡下电费、水费都开不起。现在个个都有饭吃，有新衣服穿，自己照顾家庭都可以的。
Spinning, weaving, waxing. As years slipped away, the dye cloth in Yang's hands gradually changed from local people's daily necessities into popular commodities. For Yang, what remains unchanged is her love for the art.
想不到，就是说现在生活的这么好，想不到现在别人还要叫老板，还要叫老师，现在我所有栏我都还要越做的越大，越做越好，还要让更多人都做到，让小孩。孙子都是一起都取我那个手艺下去。